Hello everyone, you're tuned in to the Anything Bucket on WRPBI TV. Tonight in our studio we have an attorney and a community advocate who believes that service to humanity is the best work of life, and she is bringing something to our community that is very, very special, a walk to end Alzheimer's. Please welcome to the Anything Bucket, Miss Pam Polani. Pam, welcome.
Hi, Jonathan. Nice to meet you and nice to be on your show. Thank you so much for inviting me.
Excellent. It's great to have you here. And I know in addition to being a successful attorney, you believe in giving back to the community. And we mentioned the project that you're in, the Walk to End Alzheimer's. I know this has been a passion of yours to bring it to our community, and you were telling me in our previous conversations, it's been a 2-year journey, but it has been well worth it. If you could tell the viewers just a little bit about how the Walk to End Alzheimer's came about and how it all ties into what you do as an attorney.
Well, I am a elder care, probate, guardianship, wills and trust attorney. I also do business successions, and in my practice, and I've been a licensed attorney, and I don't want to admit this on air, but for a very long time, I have started to see in the past 10 years more and more guardianships needed. And as wonderful advancements in our lives have been made us be able to live longer and give us longevity, unfortunately, Alzheimer's is truly the disease that robs us of our memories. And although every disease, and I definitely do charitable work with a lot of different organizations, and a lot of diseases definitely deserve and well warrant our attention, Alzheimer's is truly something that affects every single person in our county. And I say that for several reasons. Whether you know someone or you're affected by Alzheimer's directly, you're going to be affected because our taxpayer money is going to make you so. We have in South County 150,000 cases of Alzheimer's right now. In the state of Florida, it's 500,000. In overall, when you understand the dynamics and the demographics, and anybody who lives in South County understands, we actually have a population of over 65 that equals 35% of our population. That's huge. With baby boomers turning 50 this year, that population boom of 35% of being over 65 is going to jump to probably about 45%. 45% of our population over the age of 65. When you think about what age Alzheimer's tends to affect people, and it's becoming younger and younger. I met a young lady, unfortunately, who was 18 when her mother was diagnosed with Alzheimer's at 49. This is not an old person's disease. This is a disease that is robbing vital young people of their memories, of their lives. It takes about 5 caregivers, 5, round-the-clock care to take care of someone with Alzheimer's. With all respect to cancer, and we've made great advancements with cancer, Alzheimer's is different. With cancer, you can probably still take care of yourself if you had to while you're doing treatment. Alzheimer's, by the definition, you are no longer able to take care of yourself. This is something that is so debilitating for families, so costly for families, that you're right. Over 2 years ago, I started lobbying that we should have a walk, a national walk, to end Alzheimer's. We have a walk in Palm Beach County, in North Palm Beach County, we have one in Fort Lauderdale, and they are great. We have 2,500 people attend each of those walks. We raise lots of awareness and money. But the problem is that our county is huge, and the dynamics of North County and South County are totally different. And anybody who lives here
right,
knows
and I'm getting at, lobbying the national organization to come into Boca and understanding the dynamics that even Delray Beach, Boynton Beach,
are very different.
All those areas. Same thing in Coral.
But their policy is usually only to have one
walk
per county. So it was very hard to actually get them to understand we need one. And we actually started way behind. Most walks are planned from October to October. We didn't have a committee in place until March of this past year. And so I have to tell you though, we're doing fabulous. We actually have met every single one of our goals. The other walks are all looking at us going, we're in trouble.
Well, a lot of that is because you're a dynamic leader and you're well connected in the community, and it's all about the team you put together. And I was amazed you were telling me about some of the people that are involved with you, and I noticed their names, and I was like, you've got the movers and the shakers here. This is going to be a great event.
We really think that this, and Nationals is already picking up on that. They're like, we're really glad we made this decision. And I am too. It is October 11th is the walk. The registration is no charge. We encourage people to participate. We want as many people as possible to participate because we really are not just about fundraising. Fundraising is completely important to every organization for charities. We know that. But this is also about awareness. You know, just like when we were growing up, cancer was whispered. Nobody talked about it. And yet, because of everything going on, now we all talk about cancer and cancer awareness, which is wonderful. But Alzheimer's is unfortunately the ugly sister still in the closet. We need to have the conversation of what is going to happen in the event you become incapacitated. I help with that on obviously a legal side with my clients, but it's also getting people to understand this is a conversation you need to have. And then you need to have it with mom and dad, not when they're 80 and going through it. You have to have that conversation way before, because the percent of people getting diagnosed with Alzheimer's is starting to increase in their 50s and 60s. Like I said, late 40s is horrific, okay? But certainly in their 50s and 60s. People in their 50s and 60s, you know, today, that's like somebody in their 30s and 40s 10 years ago.
And if somebody wanted to sign up for the walk or get involved, I know that you have the online fundraising.
I have my poster right here. And it actually says you can register, no charge, at alz.org/walk. We certainly want you to be at any of the walks, but the Boca Walk is what I'm here for today. We actually brought you a present also, because I know, Jonathan, that you are very supportive of cancer and all the things that goes on with all those organizations. But we brought you today some more purple, because I know purple is your favorite color, because you told me that. And we brought some bracelets for you to wear that actually will support the Alzheimer's organization. And we really hope that people come. This is a family event. The walk this year is very early because it's very hot out. It's 6:30 in the morning registration, but we hope that you'll come at alz.org/walk.
And where is the walk taking place? I know you gave us the date, October 11th.
Right, October 11th at Meisner Amphitheater. It's going to be, it's not a walk for fitness. It is truly an awareness walk. It's less than 2 miles. If you can't walk, still come. It's a family event. We want you to be there to participate and just, you know, to actually just show that we're trying to increase awareness. No registration, you know, fee is actually required. And it's at Meisner Amphitheater. It's less than 2 miles. You could be a virtual walker. We definitely need sponsors still from businesses. We really hope that the community understands that this is something that's going to affect all of us.
And if they wanted to become a sponsor, I know there's an 800 number on the poster.
Yes.
Is that the best number to call, or is there another number that puts them in contact with you
You can
for
contact me
sponsorships?
directly as the volunteer chairperson. Everything I do at the organization, as does my whole entire committee, which I thank them each and every single one of them every day. We all do it on a volunteer basis. You can contact any of us, and you can contact me directly at my office, which, can I say that on the
You certainly can.
Oh, it's 561-496-4222, 561-496-4222, or you can reach me at my direct email. My last name is Polani, Polani, at bellsouth.net. And it's like the country of Poland, except instead of a D, there's an I at the end. So Polani at bellsouth.net. They can also contact the Alzheimer's Association directly, and the number is on the flyer, 800-272-3900. And there are ways that they can contact us is actually just going online, alz.org/walk.
And for businesses out there, just to make a point, this is the type of event you should be supporting, because there's going to be people out there that probably can utilize your products and services. Not only does it give you great name recognition and helps to build your brand, it also does great for the community, helping people with Alzheimer's. And at the end of the year, when you turn in your slip to your accountant, he's going to tell you it's a write-off.
100%.
So it's a win-win for everybody.
You don't have to be in the health profession whatsoever to actually do this. Geo Group is one of our major sponsors this year, and they are nothing to do with the healthcare facilities in any way or Alzheimer's work whatsoever. All businesses are going to be affected because our population in South County is tremendously affected by this disease.
So I encourage all the viewers out there, if you are in the South Florida area, specifically if you're in the Boca Raton area and you want to help to walk to end Alzheimer's, get with Pam. Check out the website, alz.org/walk, and let's keep people's memories alive by assisting the Alzheimer's Association and the Walk to End Alzheimer's.
Thank you.